Everybody, so we are going to do an experiment today that has to do with what everybody has. A cup, preferably a clear cup, or it doesn't really matter. It can be just any kind of cup, and paper towels, and of course water. So we're going to try to get the water from this cup to come into the water, come into this cup, this empty cup, not by pouring, but by, you've guessed it, with a paper towel. We are going to try to get the water to transfer from here to here just by using, yes, a paper towel. So by doing that, we're going to have to crumble up, or not crumble, but twist the paper towel and put it in the cup with water in one end and like a bridge over into the empty cup. So we'll try that out right now and see what happens. Do you think it will work? I hope so. So we'll test it out. Okay, so let's test out this experiment. So first, let's twist the paper towel. Just twist it up. Okay. And here's my cup with water, and here's the cup with no water. So we are going to put the paper towel on one end in the cup with water, and then the other end we're going to put in the cup with no water and see if we can get water from the cup to go into the other cup, the empty cup. Okay, you ready? Let's put it in and let's just see what happens. So first, I'll tell you exactly what's happening right now. I can see the water rising up on the paper towel slowly. It's getting soaked. Let's see if you can see a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but it's getting wet and it's going like a bridge. So it might take some minutes or more. I've never done it, so it could be yet again another didn't work, but I think it might work. We'll see. We'll come back to it and I'll show you in a couple of minutes. Little update of the water. So you can see a little bit of water has gone into the second cup just by the paper towel. Look at that. You don't even need to pour it in. You can just do it this way if you don't mind waiting like an hour. So we'll come back to it and see. So now with like an hour or an hour and a half, you can kind of see the water in the cup that was empty now has a lot more water. They're supposed to get even, so it's supposed to even out, but that's gonna take a long time, so I'll keep this here for a while. And yeah, now that we've already tried it without any color, just clear water, and we are aware that it works, which is awesome. See? How about let's try it with color? Let's add some food coloring and see what happens. Now that we've tried it with clear water, let's try it with colored water. And that's going to be a fun mixing activity. So we're going to use 3 cups. 1 cup in the middle is going to have water. The only one that's going to have, wait, no, sorry. Miss Reed made a mistake. We're going to put water in the ends. So the ends are going to have water. These 2 cups. In the middle, it's going to be empty, so no water. And we're going to pick 2 colors. So if you have food coloring or anything that you can change the color of your water, even maybe a marker, you can dip your marker in the water and try that out and change the color. But I'm going to use food coloring, and I have yellow. Sorry, I'm looking at the screen and I can't see what hand has what. I have yellow and I have red. So we're going to predict first, of course, what color do you think when we mix red and yellow, what color is it going to make? What do you think? We've done it in the classroom before, and I know you've done it at home a lot of times. Mixing red and yellow make, I wonder. And this is a perfect activity to wonder because you get to test it out. So now let's try with colored water. So we're gonna put yellow in 1 cup, and then we'll put red in another one with water. And try to make sure, or try to put even amount of water in both. Let's mix it a little bit. So there's yellow, mix this one. There's red. So let's twist these paper towels. And let's see what color will come out when we mix yellow water and red water. So let's put that one right there, and then this helps you see it also go through the paper towel into the other cup. And let's put the yellow one. Okay, so it takes a while, of course. I will come back and show you the process little by little, or the end result. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay, so stay tuned. To show you what's happening right now. So look at the paper towels. There's not that much water in the middle cup yet. There's a little bit, but look at the paper towels. They're soaked in the color of the water that was in that cup. So we pick this up, and this one even has some yellow in it because it's starting to mix as they're touching each other. It's fun to see how long it takes and how it goes through the paper towel. I think that's probably the most fun part, is seeing the process of the water going through the paper towel like a bridge and going into the other cup. Seeing the water, the colored water, change the color of the paper towel is so cool also. So definitely I would say the colored water experiment is way funner than, or way more fun, sorry, way more fun than the clear water one. So I might do it with more colors and try it out. That'll be fun. Hope I don't run out of paper towels, but we'll come back to it when more water starts coming in and we can actually see it mixing and see if your prediction of what color red and yellow mixed together will make. So what color did red and yellow make? Red and yellow made orange, right? Great job.